clear tu te chibai le vekule tun chum kan video chuan Mizoram Taxation Department le Mizoram State Child Protection Society Social Welfare and Tribal Affairs Department waya Hnaruak awmte nadil theite kanen ho le don ani Taxation Department waya Hnaruak te en masaila LDC post pathum arwaka regular basis ahnet ani don ani Group C post LDC te Group C post ani a lo hi pay level 4 sing ni sanga zanga atanga singa sangruk le zaria tin kar ani don ani class 12 HSSLC pass kumsom pariat atanga somthum le pasari in kar ta na dil thei dona STSC keini tribal tan kumsom li le pani thleng dil thei ani don ani computer lam thiam na computer certificate DCAMO CCA kan ti khanei angai ni typing speed 30 watts per minute thiam angaya mizo tong middle school standard chintal thiam angai bokani selection process typing test masaberanga written exam skill test le interview te om donani typing test hianin 30 watts per minute type thei turani dona typing test kan paltlang lo ni chuanin written exam kha kan ti thei don lawani written exam hianin full mark zali ani dona paper 1 le 2 om donani paper 1 hianin mark zani ani dona essay writing ti lawa chuan question hi MCQ type ani donani general knowledge 50 question 100 marks general English 25 question 50 marks essay writing 20 marks English comprehension 30 marks ani dona paper 2 hianin 200 marks MCQ vek ani donani computer knowledge 50 question 100 marks simple arithmetic 25 question 50 marks te ani dona general intelligence and reasoning 25 question 50 marks apudonani skill test omle skill test hianin MS Word 3 question 30 marks 30 minutes skill test in MS Excel 3 question 30 marks 30 minutes chuan MS PowerPoint 3 question 30 marks 30 minutes te awm dona chuan skill test bi ka hianin qualifying marks om dona 36 mark mu tlinangai donani full mark kha 90 ni a 90 a khanin 36 mark mu tlinangai donani qualifying marks se kan mu phalawani chuanin interview kan ma chon thei don lawani skill test mark te hi written mark a khanin anbel don lawa qualify kha atok mai ani interview a hianin marks somnga apule donani deal dan turhan en leila application form le share tur poimo guidelines kan ti te kha Taxation Department website zotex.nic.in download thai ani dona website link hi hemi video description a hian kada a kan lo en chiang don nia kan dil na form chu October ni som sahni le somni pathum ral ma nge in Commissioner of State Tax Office Mineko Khatla New Capital Complex Aizola thelu turani form thelu rual hianin application fee pek tel turani a STSC tan chengza somnga general tan chengza ni pek tur ani LDC exam inbuatsaihna tur study materials department hrang hnuaia LDC lakna exam paper hlui le solve te kan mamoni chuanin ka website www.kamliana.in kha kan lo visit thin don nia ka website link chu hemi video description a hian kada e panhina chuanin Mizoram State Child Protection Society Social Welfare and Tribal Affairs Department wai Hnaruak te han en leila member Child Welfare Committee waya post pathum arwaka na thial long tlaile saituala te posting ani donani member Juvenile Justice Board post pathum arwaka siaha champhaile mamita te post ani donani lo hi thlo kan ti fix angkha om don lova voi khat sitting function program an nein cheng sang ni zelan hlo donani kar khata tlem bera voi ni tal sitting khatiang program khanei ngei turani awangin atlem bera sing khatle sangruk aya tlem khachu an hlo thailo shrimani approximate in thakata sing thum vel tal hlo tura khan han be seita ila thiam na ngai te member Juvenile Justice Board deal tur chuanin heng education field health le welfare activities lama khan kumsari tal working experience an lo nei turani a ani lo pon heng degree neya practice mek te ni turani degree in child psychology or psychiatry or sociology or law khatiang lama khanin degree an nei turani member child welfare committee deal tur chuanin heng degree engmo ber hian nei turani a kumsari tal working experience an nei turani child psychology psychiatry law social work sociology human health education human development special education for differently able children khang degree te kha an nei turania ani lo point working experience leo tan heng degree te hi neya practice mek an ni turani child psychology psychiatry law social work sociology human health education human development special education for differently able children kantia khatiang subject ka khanin degree an nei turani deal tu chukum somthum panga ai nau panglo somruk le panga aya upalo ani turani deal dan tur chu deal na form hi department website ta download thai ani dona tin district na district child protection officer women and child development officer te form hi lak chhuat thai ani dona ni office kalrem changlo tan chuan department website video description a hianin a link download link hakada a chumi atang chuan form kan download tanga kan fill up zo nuwa kan dil na form le document te chu pdf in kan convert tanga official email mizoram icps@mizoram.com khan email in kan vathon to mai don ani last date chu advertisement ti chu ani atanga ni som panga ralma ti ani a august somthuma khan advertisement ti chu ani a chu ti chu september ni som panga borvel hi last date ani don ani last date ralma ngei khanin kan ngai ven don nia